Hey, my name is Frank and I'm bidding on Tether's WK with USDT as a money rail, and the project I want to show you is called prediktt. So what's prediktt? Prediktt is an all-in-one football economy that runs through a single self-custodial wallet where you can predict matches, run knockout cup, and play fantasy with your mates, all for real money, and the money is genuinely yours and it never sits with a custodian. It moves on chain where anyone can check it, and getting it in and out feel as easy as a free to play game. So now here's the thing, because every football app that lets you play for money today has to hold your money to do it. You top up, they custody the balance, and the payout is your promise, not something you can enforce. And the obvious freaks, crypto is the exact thing that scares us everyone, because it means seed phrases and gas and picking the right network, and one wrong move, the money is just gone. So people either earn their stakes with a middleman or they never play for real stakes at all. And that friction is your reason real money still wants to custodians, and that's the blocker prediktt remove. And really, yeah, the two things that normally pull against each other. The money has to be truly yours and provable to anyone, and the game has to be as easy as texting a friend a 4-character code, and most app only never gives you one of those, either self-custody with all its friction or convenience by taking your keys. So the whole idea of prediktt is to serve both at once out of one wallet. So okay, let's explore the hub. So this is the hub, and it opens on one wallet that powers everything, and setting it up takes seconds. Okay, I've created a wallet already. So but let's say I haven't created a wallet. The how it flows is I create a wallet, WK derives it, and I'm shown a recovery phrase once, and then I lock it behind the pin, and that pin encrypts the phrase on the device itself, so it's never stored on any server. Your phrase is your login, it brings you back on any device, and there's no account, no email, no custodian holding your money anywhere in the picture. So these are the features prediktt has. Okay, let's go to the prediktt. So this prediktt does. Now let me actually play. Like, I head into prediktt and pick a tie and make my call by setting a score line. Okay, this was the score line I set with my friends yesterday with the Belgium and USA. I lost, so the person that won was Bola OC90, so he's one that's going to take the points. Like, I made it that you can either like play with a point or USDT, and so far the USDT here is on testnet. Okay, so let me try to create another pool. So one sec, let me call. Okay, this has been done already. So let me create a pool for Switzerland and Colombia. Full name, and let me use USDT. That is for the testnet USDT, and let me call it $10 rather, sorry. So full name, just says just a random name. So now that I've called it, I've created a pool. One sec, let me use Colombia to win. So not enough points to buy in. Let me just use 3 points and create a pool. Okay, so now that I've created a pool, and I'm going to like tell one of my guys to join the pool. One sec. Okay, so currently I'm joining the pool. Where's the code? Okay, GAF 37A5. Okay, so join. So now if I'm to refresh it, okay, my pin, because remember the pin is what we use to unlock our wallet. So now Albert has joined. So how this works now is, before the match, because now the match hasn't started yet, but before it starts, you can you have an option to leave, but when the match starts live, everything is locked. So that's just how it is, and then you wait until the actual score, then you see who won, like me or Albert, because Albert's pick was a draw and my pick was to win. Okay, that's just a simple demo for the prediktt, and there are other features like organize and fantasy. Yeah, so, and the same wallet powers the rest of the platform. Like, I can build a fantasy squad and climb a leaderboard, or run a full knockout cup where the entries fill a pot and the winners get paid, and that's for organize screen. So the fantasy, like, so far I have one already. That's this. So this is my friend's fantasy that I created, and this is mine. Okay, I'm really bad at this. I'm bad at this, but this is my friend, and currently is leading. So the winner, it gets, like, so far we use points, but they see an option again to use testnet USDT rather. So, and the one thing that take away is everything you just saw is live on Arbitrum's, like, testnet. So the wallets are real and the USDT transfer happens on chain. The port really settles to the people who called it, and the only thing scripted is where the AI port dates fall back, and that's only there so the demo can never break. So that's prediktt. Generally, prediktt as play the whole World Cup with your mates for real money, hold your own keys the entire time, and verified every dollar on chain. Your money, your keys, probably paid out. Thanks for watching.